In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Fireflies AI from joining meetings. If you use Fireflies AI to record and transcribe calls, you might notice it automatically joins meetings from your calendar. That can be helpful, but sometimes you only want it to show up when you choose. In just a moment, I'll walk you through the exact setting to turn off auto join, so Fireflies only joins when you manually invite it. First, open your browser and log into your Fireflies AI account. Any modern browser works fine. Once you're in, head over to Settings. From there, look for Meeting Settings. This is where Fireflies keeps the controls related to how it interacts with your calendar and meetings. If you're currently in a free trial, you might see a slightly different path. Instead of the Settings page, look on your dashboard for Calendar Meeting Settings. Both routes lead you to the same place where the auto-join behavior is controlled, so choose the option you see based on your account view. Inside these settings, find the option labeled Auto-Join Calendar Events. This is the toggle that decides whether Fireflies automatically joins every calendar event it detects. When this is on, Fireflies treats all eligible events as ones it should attend. When it's off, it stays out unless you specifically invite it. Now, toggle auto-join calendar events to the off position. As soon as you do this, Fireflies will stop joining meetings automatically. There's nothing else you need to configure here. From now on, it will only join when you manually add it to a meeting. That gives you full control, so you can keep it for important calls and skip it for everything else. A few quick notes to keep things clear. This change applies to your upcoming meetings going forward. If you want Fireflies in a particular call, simply invite it manually the way you normally would. If you don't, just leave it off the invite and it won't appear. If your view looks a little different, remember the two locations to check: Meeting Settings under Settings, or Calendar Meeting Settings on your dashboard if you're on a free trial. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto-join for Fireflies AI. With this setting off, you stay in control of when Fireflies participates, without it unexpectedly popping into meetings you don't need recorded. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fine-tune your meeting workflow.